Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I came up with this look. This is a very beautiful festival look and I created for Diwali. If you guys want to know how I get this look, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So here I am in bare face. First I'm going to use this MAC strobing cream. It's in the shade Pink Light and I'm going to apply it on all over my face. This is going to give a beautiful glow to my face, as you can see. Today I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way multi sculpting concealer in the shade Warm Sand, and I'm going to use it to highlight my face. Basically since I'm not using any foundation, so this is going to be my base for my makeup. So this is a very good concealer. It has a very good coverage, and you don't need a foundation if you have this. And I'm going to apply it all the areas I like to highlight. Since it has very high coverage, I'm not going with a beauty blender because it is going to look cakey. I want to spray the product first, so I'm taking this brush from Wet n Wild. Yes, I think this is a very good brush. Once I've blended it using the brush, I'm going to take a beauty blender. This is the makeup sponge from Sigma. It is going to pick up the extra thing and it is going to make my face look flawless. Next I'm going to move into contour. Because my face is looking flat, I need to go for a contour this point of time. So I am going to take this Huda Beauty Tantour, and it's a beautiful creamy bronzer. It is going to give some shadow to my face. So I'm going to use the same brush because that brush is quite good for making sharp line. So I'm going to use that to apply the cream product in my cheekbones, and I'm going to slightly blend it. And this product is very creamy. It is going to blend like anything. You don't have to worry about it. It blends beautifully. Next I'm going to set my face. I'm going to take this Milani translucent banana powder in the shade 03, and it's a banana powder and it is going to highlight also my face. So I'm going to take this powder and first I'm going to set my face. So once I've set it, so I'm going to now take excess of powder in my brush and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Next I'm going to do for my brows. I'm going to take this color brow. I'm going to take this brow pencil, the color bar one. It's a beautiful pencil and it is very creamy, applies very smoothly. So I'm going to take this and make some strokes, and then using the spoolie side of the pencil I'm going to comb my hairs. And this is going to set the brows because the product is very creamy, and these are going, because of if I use the spoolie, it is going to spread it and set the brows. Next for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry eyeshadow palette. It was a limited edition, I guess, but I love this eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful. Like whenever I take this eyeshadow palette, I feel like festival. So first I'm going to take the lightest shade. It is almost white color shade, so I like to set my brow bone, and also I'm going to take this powder on all over my eyelid. Next I'm going to take this lightest shade. So I'm going to take from the light to the dark shade. So this is the lightest shade. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease. I'm going to start from the outer corners and then slowly I'm going to drag it to my crease. So the first shade that I have applied on my brow bone is called Fresh. Next I'm going to take this shade. This shade is called Twig. It's a very beautiful cool toned brown, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners. And the eyeshadows from Anastasia Beverly Hills is very powdery, as you can see when I'm applying. It's like looking like, you know, powder is, you know, flying in the air. So next I'm going to take this shade called Dystopian. It is a very dark brown, again cool tone dark brown. I'm going to apply it only on the outer corner to intensify, or the cat, to make a cat eye look, so that, you know, my eyes looked lifted, not dragging it down. Next I'm going to take this shade called Bloom. It's a very cool toned pink, and I'm going to apply it on the inner half of my eyelid. I'm not going to take it on the outside. On top of it I'm going to use the glitter, so it is a base for the glitter. So this is the glitter called Rose Quartz. So this is a very, you know, beautiful glitter. So it has I think you can say it's a rose gold color. Next I'm going to take the adjacent color, which is called Steampunk. It's again a beautiful glitter, and it is more of bronzy gold. Next I'm going to take the shade Teak. It is more dark, I think browny bronzy shade, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners, you know, to have some depth. So from inner to the outer corner I'm going to move more deeper shade. And I think, you know, applying, you know, glittery shadows with fingers is quite good. I think it applies smoothly. Next I'm taking the same brush. By the way, this brush you see, it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Every palette comes with a brush, so I have so many of this brush, and today for my eye look I have used that brush only, and that is a very good quality brush. Next I'm going to take the same pink shade, which is called Bloom, and apply it on my lower lash lines. Next I'm going to remove the baking from my face, and you can see it has given a little bit of highlighting effect to my face, and this will also make sure my makeup is going to stay for a longer time. Next I'm going to use a Kiko Milano kajal. It's a very creamy kajal, and I'm going to tight line my eyes. You can use any kajal. Next for lashes I'm going to use this PAC M72 lashes. I love PAC lashes. They goes for so long time. And yeah, left side of my lash has come up. Next, to bronze up my face I'm going to take this Nika powder. This is the compact powder. I think it is the shade Rosy Tan. This is very dark. I think Nika powders are very, you know, they are not patchy, they are very pigmented, and they are very good. So I'm using it to contour my face. You can see it has a correct amount of gray and, you know, warm tone in it. It's a very beautiful shade. I'm going to use the same shade to contour my nose. I have not yet noticed that my lash is not set properly. Next I'm going to take this blush from Nika, and it's in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm using this Real Techniques brush. Applying blush feels like a therapy. I find so soothing, you know, to apply blush on the face. It feels very soothing, and it feels very happy and very good it feels. So I keep on, you know, adding blush. Next I fixed my lash. I put some glue in my eyelid directly, and now back to my therapy of blush. So yeah, beautiful color. It has a little bit of sheen in it. I have used both the shades actually, mixture of both the shades. Next I'm going to move into highlighter. This is from Nike and it is in the shade Glitter 2. So I'm going to apply it on my brow bone, inner corner, all the areas, cheekbones, but somehow I missed the clips of the applying highlighter in the cheekbones. So next I'm going to take this lipstick from Nike All Day Matte Lipstick, and it's a beautiful color. It's in the shade Teacher Tribe. It's a beautiful pink. I love this pink. I think my earring and my dupatta, everything is in this color. So I'm going to let this lipstick to dry. Meantime I'm going to apply some mascara and my mantika, because it takes a little bit of time for the lipstick to dry. So you can see it looks so beautiful, but I want to add some gloss shine to my lips. I am using this gloss from Nike and it is in the shade Riding Solo 03. Next I went a little bit further ahead. I have used one more glitter, and this is from Color Essence and it is in the shade Silver. So these glitters are very beautiful and it is called Liquid Eyeliner. I try to show here my look in different lightings so that you guys can understand how it will look in different lightings. I think I have used my dupatta. This is the finished look. So if you guys like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.